my name is Wesley. Today we're going to be talking about the automated donor kebab slicing machine design that we made, along with my groupmates Adil, Amir, and Irfan, who I'm here with today. So our design is meant to mitigate the problem associated with manual methods in donor kebab slicing, as well as to reduce the wastage of resources involved in donor kebab slicing using manual methods. Our main objectives in this case are to construct a strong kebab slicing machine, using a motorized blade and having a sturdy frame. We're also meant to create a smart slicing algorithm for consistent thickness and minimal waste. We're also going to evaluate this entire system using tested methods and to ensure that the product that we're developing is going to work as we desire. Here with me today is Irfan, who we're going to discuss the benefits of the slicing machine with. So Irfan, what are the complex engineering problems that we're trying to solve?
Okay, so first of all, according to job searching websites such as Hirebeat, the average cost for an assistant chef is around 1,500 ringgit. With this value, the average labor cost a shawarma business pays a month is around 3,000 ringgit, depending if the person is working 8 or 12 hours.
So why should people buy our product?
Okay, people should buy our products because for $9.99, businesses have the opportunity to reduce the operational cost significantly. This is because with a monthly maintenance fee of around 500 ringgit, businesses have the opportunity to reduce costs by 50%.
Okay, thank you very much, Irfan.
So this is the functionality of the device. First, along the x-axis, this is Z and this is X for the reference. Along the x-axis, the hand will move all the way back up until it reaches to a limit switch. When the limit switch is hit, it will start moving upwards along the z-axis all the way up until this limit switch. When this one is hit, the TOF sensor, time of flight sensor, would be turned on, and then it will start sensing the distance between it and the meat. So when that happens, it will start moving towards the meat, and when it reaches a certain threshold that is programmed, the blade will start rotating and the hand will start going down, cutting the meat all the way up until it reaches this limit switch on the lower end. While this is happening, the load sensor here, it's attached to this small table per se, will sense how much weight is on it, and when a certain serving has reached, this servo motor will push away the meat for it to be served. So this motion is looped. So when the limit switch is hit, the lower limit switch is hit, the whole operation will loop again, and we can demonstrate it. So this hit, starts going up all the way. It hits this limit switch, starts moving closer. The TOF sensor works slow, but then it starts cutting. This can be seen. When it hits this one again, it goes back. Going up again. All the way up until the limit switch is hit. Cutting the chicken again. I'm holding it because it's not going to be held very carefully. And then the serving is not the serving that is not reached because the servo is not pushing any meat. That's the entirety of the device or the machine. Thank you all for watching.
So this is the graphical user interface of the application that the user will be using to run the machine. It provides the initialization and shutdown and also provides emergency overrun. So if something in the process goes wrong, such as it gets stuck on the side, gets stuck up, the blade stops moving, the blade is moving even when it should not run, the command sent from this GUI will override the automated command and make the machine stop. I'll show how it works. For the initialization, I can just click initialization. For shutting down, I can click shutting down. For the arm to move up, I click move up. I make it stop. I make it move down, and then I can make it stop again. Shut down. I can make it move in, I can stop it, I can make it move out, I can stop that, rotate the skewer clockwise and counterclockwise, and then even if the blade is stuck in the process, like suppose the blade is stuck in the meat but it has already reached the limit, but you have to move it or keep rotating it to move it out, I can start the blade, it will start the blade, and then stop the blade. If the blade is even moving after the process is done, since it's a big hazard if the blade is still on, so I can stop the blade. And finally, if everything is moving and you just want to shut down the system and don't want to go all the way to the power cord to shut down the power supply, you can send a command to just shut down the entire system. It shuts down the blade, the TOF, the limit switches, the motors, all three, 1, 2 and third one. So that's how you can use this emergency application GUI and the starting application GUI to run the entire system through the clicks of buttons. That's all from Group F, which is the automated doner kebab slicing machine. Thank you for watching.